Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Alright, here's the chart for Tesla. This is a 30-day, 30-minute chart. Last video we did was on Sunday, so it's Tuesday night now. On Monday, we came out and we tested the top of the range. Remember, on Sunday, we talked about how we were kind of range bound right now, stuck between this 578 level and this 619 level ever since we fell down from above the 670s back around May 11th. And so the past couple of days, it's basically confirmed kind of what we talked about. We got rejected at the top of the range, and today with the market pullback, we're back into the middle of the range. So for me, this is probably the worst time that you could take a position. If you wanted to, assuming that this pullback continues, to take a position around this 578 level, I think you could probably expect that there's going to be a bounce. This is the bottom of the range. So whether we get all the way back up to 620 or just back up to the middle here around 600, I think you could certainly expect to see a pop, especially now that we've sort of gotten away from this more recent downtrend line here. I'd assume that we're going to keep moving sideways, at least in the near term. And like we talked about on Sunday, we're still below this longer term downtrend line here. So not a whole lot of new things to talk about here. We're still moving within this range, and now we're back in the middle. It's probably the most boring spot to be. When we're at the top of the range, we can talk about, hey, maybe we'll break out. We're on the bottom of the range, we can talk about whether or not it's going to hold. But when we're stuck here in the middle, it's honestly, we could fall 20 points or we could gain 20 points, and it wouldn't really affect the outlook one way or another. We need to see a breakout of this range to the upside or to the downside, really, to change the outlook right now. But one thing I will mention, and we talked briefly about this on Sunday, volatility back on the rise, and we were down here again around sort of all-time low levels. Not surprising with the NASDAQ and the S&P seeing all-time highs. Obviously that gives investors confidence, but it's not surprising to see a pullback from those levels, especially when we make those kind of movements in after hours or pre-market. So volatility bouncing back a little bit from almost to the 15 level, now up around 17 on the VIX. Nothing to get too worried about, but maybe just be patient and wait on taking a new position in the short term right now, especially just because we're still range bound here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to talk about here. Like I said on Sunday, assuming we keep moving sideways, I'll zoom out just real quick before we wrap up the video. But yeah, we're still in the downtrend from the all-time high. And assuming we keep moving sideways, we'll break through that within the next week or two. And that should be an interesting time. So just kind of waiting to see when that's going to happen at this point. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel with that YouTube algorithm. And subscribe if you enjoy my content. I make new videos on a regular basis, so subscribe and you'll be notified when the next one comes out. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think about Tesla stock and also the market as a whole. It's an interesting time, I think, to be an investor. So markets are at all-time highs, and yet there's still sort of nervousness with inflation, and a lot of other uncertainties in the economy right now. So I'd love to hear what other people are thinking. Please comment below and share your thoughts with us. Thanks as always for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.